Good morning, Lily.
Good morning.
How are you feeling today?
Not so good. You know, I woke up this morning and I looked at the sun and I thought, what if the sun doesn't shine anymore?
Well, so are you concerned that the clouds will roll in and the sun just won't shine anymore?
Not just the clouds, the darkness. What if night came and never left? And the sun could never shine again.
Well, what if it does?
What do you mean, what if it does? These cells won't photosynthesize themselves, you know.
So you're worried about photosynthesis?
Now I'm worried about dying.
Are you afraid of dying, Lily?
No sun, no flowers. And yes? Well, I mean, what kind of question is that? Everybody is afraid of dying.
So have you had any interesting dreams lately?
Just the same one I've had for a month.
The one where you're turned into a corsage for prom night?
No! About my mother.
Oh. Are you still feeling abandoned?
Well, yes. I never knew the woman. She died when I was a seedling. My first memory is being shoved in the ground and fighting with a bunch of other seedlings to get to the surface and break through so I could have life.
So it all comes back to the sun.
And water and carbon dioxide. I mean, can you imagine? What would this world be like with oxygen and no carbon dioxide? I would die! And what about pollination? I mean, I would probably get a nearsighted, cross-eyed bee that would pollinate with a rutabaga plant. Oh, my children would hate me. What do you think, Doc? Is it better to die without any offspring? Or give rise to a rutabaga lily? That would resent me.
You tell me.
What? Come on, Doc! I need some help here!
Oh, look at the time. Well, we're out of time for today. But next time we're going to talk about the sun some more. And if you have any dreams, just journal it. And we'll talk about it next time.
Journal? Got it.
Who knew lilies had so much in their mind? Good morning. Have a seat.
Good morning, Doc.
So how are we feeling today? Robin?
Well, I keep having that dream. You know, the one where I'm flying and flying and flying, and I have nowhere to land.
How does that make you feel?